Hello everyone, I have a new video of unboxing AliExpress. This time I ordered two jogging pants for my little one. It took like 7 weeks to arrive. So I'm gonna try to open again like as usual, and then I continue with the video. Okay, now I open it and I'm gonna try to take it out. There we go. As I always say, remember that you always get what you pay for. Some people have the same item, but when you see that the price is a little higher, I think the quality will change as well. So always keep that in mind. Don't buy, don't choose the cheapest and then expect to get the best. It's like anywhere else. If you want the best, you have to pay for it. Okay, I'm gonna try to open this bag now. Okay. Oh my god. Well, I'm not, for what I see now, I'm not very impressed about the quality. It is okay, because for my little one, it's just gonna be for the summer to run around. But I don't feel that impressed. It's cheap stuff. But as I said, for the little ones, it's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna try the back. I'm a little concerned about this part, it's a little too long, but it's probably the fashion style. What I want until I see my kid trying it on. I'm gonna ask him, and then I'm gonna write it down for you how it go. Yes. Again, I'm not very impressed. The fabric is very cheap. The work also they didn't do much, but it's okay for my kid to run around in it. It will be fine, hopefully. Okay, thank you very much for watching once again, and I'll see you next time. Okay, there we go. Now you see how it looks, the green one.